Final round. Missed question corrections. Part 17. Secure conduit. Raceways may extend past front of associated electrical equipment by 6 inches max. How far from box must AC cable be secured? 12 inches. Secure AC cable 12 inches from box. AC cable, strap at 12 inches. How far from box must EMT be secured from box? 36 inches. Secure EMT 36 inches from box. EMT strapped at 36 inch. How far from box must rigid conduit be secured from box? 36 inches. Secure rigid 36 inch from box. Rigid strapped at 36 inch. 1 1/4 inch conduit, with threaded couplings, may be secured at 14 feet. 1 1/4 inch conduit, threaded couplings, secured at 14 feet. Secure flexible conduit, at 4.5 feet. Flex conduit, 4.5 feet. AC cable is 12 inch, flex conduit is 4.5 feet. AC cable is 12 inch, flex conduit is 4.5 feet. Electrical metal trapeze, is made of 2 rods and a metal strip. Electric trapeze should have spacing, according to installation instruction. Electric trapeze must be made of flame retardant materials. Metal trapeze, flame retardant. Complete each run of trapeze, cable trays, prior to installation of wires. May run bond to grounding conductors onto metal trapeze, cable trays so long as fittings are legible and durably marked. Don't install cable trays in hoistways or subject to severe physical damage. You may have cable splices in cable trays with approved insulated methods. Cable trays shall have side rails equivalent to structural members, be corrosion resistant, and include fittings for elevation change. Aluminum cable trays rated as equipment ground fault in circuits up to 2000 amps. Aluminum cable tray, rated up 2000 amps as equipment ground fault.